Welcome to Well-Traveled Life with Jonathan and Jennifer.
We are in the quintessentially Cotswold village of Burton-on-the-Water, and we're going to be doing a review of the Croft and the flat above the Croft where we stayed.
This is one of the top touristed places in the Cotswolds, and the Croft is literally at the intersection of the Windrush River and the High Street, or the Market Street, Station Road. I mean, she really has the prime location. She has an amazing culinary product in her food there.
It has great reviews. Donna and her staff there are really
Spectacular.
Yeah, really special folks. So for the last year, all I've done is, talked about how excited I was to come back here because it's a great place to have breakfast, but also lunch or dinner. And we haven't done that, but we're going to do it on this trip. We stayed in a flats above that restaurant. You can go to the Croft in the morning for breakfast, and it's really special. It's my favorite place. Jennifer knows.
The Croft sits across the river from the High Street, right on Victoria. It is literally smack bob in the center of the village of Burton-on-the-Water. The most Instagram-worthy photos will all feature the Croft in the background. But the Croft is more than a fabulous restaurant in the heart of the village. It's our home away from home in Burton-on-the-Water. We'll give you a tour of the first floor flat we stayed in. You will enter the flat through a door at the back of the restaurant patio. You'll come up some stairs, go through a door that remains open all the time, and you'll have a separate key to your door. There is another flat to the side, and you can hear people above you. That's just, you're in an old building, and you can hear that, but it was never a problem. You do have two stairs up to the flat door. As you walk in, there's a long hallway with a restroom on the right, and then a kitchen, and then a large living and dining room on the left, and two bedrooms. We'll show you those as we go. The bathroom is the first door on your right as you enter the flat, and it's quite large. It includes a toilet, a sink with some storage, a walk-in shower with a handheld wand, nice towel rack, a large tub, so this is like a big 4-piece bathroom, and a window. We left our windows open the entire time we were here. Even though it was cold and rainy, it was so great to have that fresh air. The kitchen is really well equipped. You have a full dishwasher, a washing machine, an oven, a stove, and a refrigerator freezer. There's a microwave and a tea kettle as well. There are some staples in the cupboard, and you'll find dishes and cups on the other side. These are the cooking utensils that are included, and there are pots and pans in the cupboard next to it. We did not end up doing much cooking because the restaurants here are so plentiful that we ate most of our meals out, and breakfast is served downstairs at the Croft restaurant. So there is a really kind of interesting configuration here. As you are coming out down the hallway just past the kitchen, there are 3 very narrow, a little bit steep steps going down, and then another step going up to get to the living room, but then you have to step down again to get into the living room. The dining room portion includes a table with 4 chairs, great windows overlooking the square, and then these closets held everything you might need, including a fan, an ironing board, a clothes dryer, a portable fan, and a baby changing pad. There was even an umbrella. Overlooking the patio and right on the river, there are views from every room. On the far side of the dining area is your living room with a couch and 2 chairs and a large screen TV with cable and smart apps. So if you want to log in with your own Netflix, etc., that's an option. So interestingly, the door into here goes out to the hallway, and then there is a second door that goes to what they consider the second bedroom. This bedroom has a king-size bed. Again, an incredible view with windows out to the river below and this really, really cozy window seat. The linens are sumptuous, and this was just a delightful room. And here's a twist. If you have children, you have a connecting doorway to the second bedroom. So as you enter this room, which they consider the main master bedroom.
The only reason I bring that up is, in my mind, they are both master bedrooms.
It also has a king-size bed, 2 nightstands. It has a really nice vanity as well as a tallboy dresser with storage. It has another one of these darling window seats, and you are literally overlooking a rooftop terrace that you can't access, but you have views of the river below, and you're right on the square. You just can't ask for a better location. That is what we believe this whole flat is about. Location, location, location.
But there's one more aspect of this apartment that really is special. It comes with free breakfast at the Croft, the highly rated restaurant downstairs. With its distressed barnwood walls, stone windows, riveted metal tables, and a menu that features hearty food with healthy options and delicious flavors, the Croft was our favorite place in all the village. Jonathan enjoyed a full English breakfast, and I had avocado toast, Belgian waffles, chai lattes, and other delectables. The restaurant is so dog friendly, they even have treats for the pups. If you're looking for the perfect Cotswold retreat, this is it. Big enough for a family, small enough to enjoy with just one couple. Reasonably priced and perfectly located, you cannot beat the flat above the Croft. If you're a solo traveler or traveling with just a couple, there is another lodging option that we can highly recommend. The owner of the Croft also owns a garden apartment at the guest house, the Halford House. It is just across the street, beautifully furnished, and we have a video on this same channel that you can watch. On the Halford House video, we'll introduce you to Donna again and give you a tour of the apartment. If you're considering a stay in Burton-on-the-Water, go ahead and take a look at our Destinations channel, where we feature numerous videos about the town and things to do in the village.
So I hope you enjoy this video.
There's so much to love here.
Bye.